Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. If you want to connect Google Maps directions right to your Apple Watch, well, in this quick guide I will show you how. So firstly, make sure your iPhone has the latest version of Google Maps installed from the App Store. After that, open the Watch app on your iPhone, scroll down to see your available apps, tap Install next to Google Maps if it's not already on your Apple Watch. Once installed, open Google Maps on your iPhone, tap your profile icon, Settings, Navigation, and turn on Directions on Apple Watch. Now on your Apple Watch, open the Google Maps app. You'll see shortcuts like Home, Work, or any saved places. To start navigating from your watch, choose a saved destination from the list, or start the route from your iPhone, and it will automatically sync directions to your Apple Watch. You'll get turn-by-turn directions, haptic feedback, and street names all from your wrist. Also, your iPhone must stay connected nearby. And that's how you connect Google Maps to your Apple Watch. Like and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips, and drop a comment if you want help using it with cycling, walking, or public transit next.